Everybody, I just wanted to show another video on how to use the Snip and Sketch. So, I have pulled up here the Make Code Arcade, which is a fun little tool where you can actually make like videos or video games for the kids to play. It's a very drag and drop type of coding, but what I pulled it up for was so that I could kind of show how you can use that um, to for instruction. So if you're looking for this snip and sketch tool, you're just going to type in snip, and then you will see this is the old one, the snipping tool. The new one is snip and sketch. So you're going to click it, or you can press enter. I have two pulled up. You're going to click new. It's going to gray out the screen here. And you can see you have a square, you have a free form. So if you want like to do around a specific image, you have a window snip that'll take the whole window, um, a full screen snip, so your whole entire screen. It's your choice. I usually end up using the square just because it's easy. So I highlight that area and now I have it here. What I really enjoy about this is that I can highlight and it's very fast. I have a lot of times where people, even teachers, will contact me asking me, "Hey, how do I do this? What do I need to press?" And I can go through here and one, two, three, type it out, and you can save it down here. Or my favorite part is just Control C, and then you can go to like Teams, type in here, Control V, and then now it is sent to either the kid, the team. I can put it in my chats if I'm looking for that. It's just an easy way to kind of snip something, put it in for quick questions. You could also put this into a PowerPoint, a Word document. Maybe you have a PDF of a reading and you want to just snip one paragraph. You can do it that way and highlight or show an example. Those are all options that you can do with the snip and share. So again, you just type in down here where it says type here to search with the little magnifying glass, snip, press enter or click snip and sketch. And there you go. Thanks so much and have a great